FFU stands for Fan Filter Unit. It is a ceiling-mounted air supply unit used in clean rooms to deliver clean, filtered air directly into the controlled space. An FFU is installed directly on top of a HEPA or HEPA filter, forming an integrated air supply module. The fan inside the FFU draws air from above, pressurizes it inside the unit, and forces the air vertically downward through the HEPA filter. This design allows the FFU to supply uniform, laminar airflow from top to bottom, which is essential for maintaining stable cleanroom cleanliness levels. A standard FFU consists of 4 main parts: the housing, the fan and motor system, the plenum chamber, and the HEPA filter. In a professional FFU design, the FFU housing is directly mounted on top of the HEPA filter, with the same dimensions, ensuring zero air leakage and uniform airflow distribution. Now let's look at how an FFU actually works. First, ambient air is drawn in from the top of the FFU by the internal fan system. The air then enters the internal plenum where pressure is stabilized. Next, the air passes directly downward through the HEPA filter, which removes 99.99% of particles at 0.3 microns or smaller. Finally, the filtered air is discharged vertically downward to the clean room as uniform laminar airflow, creating a stable and ultra-clean environment. Laminar airflow is critical in clean rooms. Unlike turbulent air, laminar flow moves in a single direction at a constant speed, preventing particles from circulating or recontaminating sensitive areas. This is why FFUs are essential for achieving ISO Class 5, 6, or 7 cleanroom standards. When evaluating an FFU, several technical parameters matter. Airflow volume determines how many air changes your cleanroom receives. Static pressure affects whether the air can pass evenly through the HEPA filter. Motor efficiency directly impacts energy consumption and operating cost. Noise level is critical for long-term operation in laboratories and production environments. Traditional FFUs use AC motors which consume more energy and generate more heat. Modern FFUs increasingly use EC motors, which offer precise speed control, lower power consumption, and longer service life. In large cleanroom projects, choosing EC motor FFUs can reduce total energy costs by 30 to 50%. At Deshengxin Purification, we have over 20 years of experience in cleanroom, air filtration, and FFU manufacturing. Our FFUs are designed with full-size matched HEPA filters, precision balanced fans, and high-efficiency EC motors. Every unit is factory tested for airflow, noise level, and filtration performance before delivery. We provide custom airflow, size, and control solutions based on real cleanroom requirements, not on official products.